Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Licking County, northeastern Franklin County, Ohio, southeastern Delaware County until 3:30 a.m. At 2:37 a.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near Johnstown, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, quarter-size hail. Locations impacted include Granville, in addition, Jersey, Johnstown, State Route 310 at State Route 161, Alexandria, Granville South, Fredonia, and St. Louisville are near the path of this severe thunderstorm. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.